Ensure your vehicle's engine remains cool and performs at its best with this engine cooling fan assembly. Precision engineered to match the original radiator fan's fit and performance. This high-quality replacement part guarantees optimal cooling to maintain your engine's ideal operating temperature. Made with the same durable materials and components as the stock part, it's rigorously tested to ensure it cools as efficiently as the original, offering you peace of mind with every drive. This fan assembly is not only effective but also cost-efficient, offering you the same level of performance you expect from a factory part, but at a fraction of the dealership price. Its easy installation process means you can quickly and easily replace your old fan, restoring your vehicle's cooling system without breaking the bank. Plus, the fan assembly is designed to fit a variety of vehicle models, ensuring a perfect fit. To confirm compatibility, simply enter your vehicle's make, model, and trim level into the garage tool. Whether you're replacing a worn-out cooling fan or upgrading your system, this engine cooling fan assembly delivers the reliability, performance, and durability you need. It's built to last and will keep your engine cool for years to come. Don't wait until your cooling system fails. Invest in this high-performance fan assembly today and keep your engine running smoothly. Click the link in the description to buy now and ensure your engine stays cool and reliable for the long run.